the left. Alright. Quartermaster versus Quantum Bolts. Ready for jump. Brought to you by Rogers Sports. Oh, that's blocked. Well, here's number 1. No possession on Quantum Bolts. Here's number 19 for 3. Here's number 27 to 19. First point on Quantum Bolts. Here's Soriano. Pass to number 19. 15 on the shot clock. Here's number 14 for 3. 3 points on jersey number 14. Here's number 27 on the dribble. Pass to 10 to 4. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds. There's Nick Buyard leading the ball. Pass sa kaliwa, Soriano for 3. There's number 7. Time remaining 8 minutes and 25 seconds sa ating first quarter. Oh, good. Here's Soriano dribbling the ball. Pass sa kanan, natin for 3. Basket. 3 points. On jersey number 14, here's Evangelista leading the ball. Here's number 27. Pass to Evangelista for 3. Oh, good. That is 0 out of 3 on Evangelista. But here's Soriano. Pass to the Buyard for 3. 3 points. It's pushing foul on jersey number 0. And Buyard, that is first personal foul and first team foul. Okay. Here's Soriano. Pass it to Buyard. Still. Here's number 19. What a good pass. Masyadong malakas yun. Time remaining 6 minutes and 50 seconds. And here's Soriano getting the ball. Pass 19. Still. Here's Jacob. Easy basket para kay Jacob. Score natin ay 8-4. Finger up, quartermaster. Here's the Buyard for the second 3. Oh, good. Here's number 19. Air ball. It's blocking foul on jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, that is first personal foul and first team foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. There's number 7. There's Soriano dribbling the ball. Up for 3. No good. But here's the Buyard. Easy basket. On jersey number 0. The score is 10-4. Lamang dito, ang quartermaster. Here's 24 plus 2, 19. 27, 10, on the shot clock. Here's number 2, oh, that's blocked. Here's Wuyart. Oh, that's a traveling violation. Ready for timeout on Team Battle Boots. Here's number 2. No good. Here's Soriano on the drive. Timeout, Battle Boots. Here's number 27. Dribbling the ball. Passengers number 12. Here's Jacob. Here's Alego for 3. 3 points. That's 3-point on Soriano. Here's number 27, babawi ng Chris. Here's Soriano, pass break pass on number 4. Masyado malakas. The ball will stay 15 on the shot clock. Here's number 10. 10 on the shot clock. Pass break pass on Lego. Pass to 27. Medyo sinusukat. Here's Soriano. Hitting the ball. 15 on the shot clock. Soriano for 3. Here's number 90, ruling the ball. On the shot clock. Passengers number 0. Basket on number 0. 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Para sa ating first quarter. But here's Soriano. Ruling the ball. Depuya portray. No. Number 19, 10 on the shot clock. Basket on jersey number 19. There's 19 on the drive. There's Evangelista. Basket on jersey number 19. Mabasan 5 puntos ang lamang dito ng quartermaster. So that's offensive foul. It's foul on jersey number 19. That's first foul. Here's Evangelista, susubok sa 3. Rebound on jersey number 4. Ready for substitution on team quartermaster. Here's number 19 for 3. Still. Here's number 14. 3 points. Here's number 14. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Here's number 12. Evangelista for trade. Both teams ready for substitution. Basket. 1 minute exactly. Here's number 12. Basket Evangelista, 10 on the shot clock. Basket. That's 2 points on 19. 40 seconds remaining. There's Soriano. Passes at the basket for 3. 26 to 15. 25 seconds. There's Evangelista. The ball will stay. 16 seconds on the shot clock. Easy 2 points on number 24, 15 seconds. 10 seconds. There's the 2-yard for 3. Basket na lang. And the first quarter, score natin ay 29 to 17.
Bola? Ha? Ate bola. Ay, ate bola. Ay, sorry po.
Ball possession on quartermaster. Here's number 77 for 3. Okay. Pull-up jumper. Rebound on number 24 with an easy layup. Labas sa 10 puntos ang lamang dito ng quartermaster. Here's number 77 dribbling the ball. 15 on the shot clock. Oh, what a good fake. There's number 7. Here's number 12 for 3. Oh, rebound on number 27. There's number 2, 10 on the shot clock. Basket on, there's number 2. Here's number 77. 15 on the shot clock. That's foul. Foul on number 27. That is first person foul and first team foul. Here's Soriano. 10 on the shot clock. Passengers number 7 for 3. Grabe ang quartermaster. Nagpapakula ng 3. Here's number 19. Pass to 12. Babawin sa 3. Number 19, dribbling the ball, pass to 77. There's number 19, then on the shot clock. Oh, what a good goal. May pang-winding na si number 19. 15 on the shot clock. Here's Evangelista. Pass to number 27. Easy basket on Evangelista. Here's Soriano. Pass to number 77. Here's number 7 for 3. Air ball. Oh, that's foul on jersey number 0. The second person foul and first team foul on quartermaster. Here's Evangelista. That's foul. Mounted. Foul on jersey number 7. That is first person foul and second team foul. Free throws of life. possession ng Phantom Books. Final quartermaster. Here's number 27. Pass to Evangelista for 3. No good. Power rebound on number 24. Sablay pa rin. Pass break pass. But here's Allegro. Here's Evangelista. Pass to number 24. Basket on jersey number 24. Here's Soriano. Moving the ball. Ready for substitution. Here's the Bouillard. That's the foul. On jersey number 24. Substitution. 14 on the shot clock. Still by number 19. Here's Evangelista. Ang gandang pasa doon. Easy basket. 36 to 29. Here's Soriano for 3. No good. Time remaining 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Here's Evangelista again. Pasa sa labas. Still. Here's 77. Libre. Basket yan. 38 to 29. Ready for substitution. Here's Allegro. Pasa Evangelista. Step for 3. Basket by number 2. Here's Soriano. Isolation play. Pass number 77. 10 on the shot clock. Basket. Number 77. Here's number 7. Still. Foul on jersey number 0. Substitution. Jersey number 0 with his third personal foul. And second team foul. On the shot clock. Here's Evangelista for 3. Okay. Basket on number 77. Time remaining 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Here's Evangelista. Pass to Allegro for 3. Oh. Here's number 19. Okay. Here's Allegro, quick drive. Basket is good. Here's Soriano. That's foul counted. Foul on, here's number 12. That is first foul and 13 foul. This free throw on Soriano. Sablay para sa free throw line. Here's Evangelista. Moving the ball. Pass to Allegro. 10 on the shot clock. Protect room for 3. No good. Supply. Rebound on jersey number 12. Pass to 7. Here's Evangelista. Easy basket para kay Evangelista. 44-35. Here's Soriano. No. Easy basket on number 77. Releases pa. Here's Evangelista. Easy basket. On the side step ko. Para kay Evangelista. Here's the Buyard. And it's foul. Foul on jersey number 0. That is first foul. And warning for penalty. Ready for substitution. The first free throw on the Buyard. Substitution. (47-37) sa pupunta sa naman dito ng quartermaster. Here's number 7, Master Evangelista. Basket again. What a hustle play on Evangelista. Here's 77, dribbling the ball. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Here's Evangelista. That's foul. Foul on jersey number 19. That is second personal foul and warning for penalty. Both teams po, warning for penalty na tayo. Second free throw on Evangelista. That is 0 out of 2 para sa free throw line. Basket. 47-41. Mabasa 6 na bukas ang laman dito sa quartermaster. Okay. Here's number 14. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Here's number 77. Point to shoot. Still. Ball possession on Baton Rouge. One minute and 20 seconds sa ating second quarter. And here's Evangelista winning the ball. That's 3 seconds violation. One minute and 5 seconds. Here's the Buyard dribbling the ball. 15 on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds. Okay. Here's Evangelista with a good drive. Basket is here. Basket. 30 seconds remaining. Here's Evangelista. Okay. Here's number 14. Easy basket on. Here's number 0. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Basta na lang ang ating maririnig. End of second quarter.
Oh, lubog ka, lubog ka. Lubog ka. Pakin daw po tao.
Okay, 1-2. Here's Evangelista. 4-3. No good. Here's Soriano. 15 on the shot clock. Here's number 77 for 3. 3-4. Rebound on number 24. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Here's Allegro for 3. No good. There's Evangelista with a floater shot. So that is number 24. (54-45). Here's Soriano. Basket on Soriano. Basket para kay Evangelista. Here's Soriano. On the drive. No good. Ready for substitution. Here's Allegro. Easy basket para kay Allegro. 56-49. Here's the Puyard. Let's foul on jersey number 90. That is pushing foul on number 19. That is first foul. And first team foul. Sorry, jersey number 19 is a third person foul and first team foul. There's Allegro for 3. No good. Ball possession on quartermaster. Time remaining 7 minutes and there's Soriano looking the ball. Passengers number 4. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass number 19. Basket. Here's Evangelista. Pass to number 24. Set line. Pass break pass on Soriano. 2 points. 60-49. Here's number 0. Sablay pa rin. Here's number 19. That's not foul. Foul on jersey number 4. Timeout, Phantom Blues. Here's number 4. Pass to jersey number 0. Easy basket. Points on number 27. Babasa 10 puntos ang lamang ng quartermaster. Here's number 19. No good. Here's Evangelista. What a good pass. On number 0. Ready for substitutions. Here's number 17. Pass to number 0 for 3. Oh, good. One possession. Back to 3. Substitution. Here's number 27 for 3. 62 to 57. Babawi sa 3, supply. Here's Evangelista. What a size that move. Supply na lang. Here's Soriano for 3. No. Number 27 for 3. Supply. Ready for timeout on key button. That's foul. Timeout. Button hoops. Who's foul, rep? There's number 0. Free throw on Soriano. Basket. Here's number 27. Pasa lang pala yun. Ready for substitution. Score natin ay 63 to 59. Here's Lacuban. Pass to Soriano. To the 2-yard, back to Soriano. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds. Soriano, 3. Here's number 27. Good. Basket number 27. Here's Soriano, pass to Lacuban for 3. 69 to 61. Still by the 2-yard. Attempt for 3 again. 3 minutes and 4 seconds. Here's Evangelista with a good drive. Substitution. Possession on quartermaster. Here's number 1. 15 on the shot clock. Soriano for 3. Okay. Easy basket on number 2. Binit-bitan na ni Aiton. Here's 10 yards. Attack for 3. Here's Allegro. Trailed by Lakuban. Here's the Kuyar for Trey. Ball possession on bottom hooks. 2 minutes and 1 seconds. Here's Allegro. Pass sa kanan. Here's number 27. Pass to 24 for 3. Sayang, may gawa yun. But here's the effort of number 27. Pass to Allegro for 3. On jersey number 2. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Here's the Kuyar for Trey. No good. Here's 27. Here's Soriano. Pass to Lakuban for 3. Okay. 1 minute exactly. Here's Allegro on the drive. Masyado malakas yung layup na yan. Here's Soriano. Easy basket. Para kay Soriano. 45 seconds. 40 seconds. 2 points on number 24. 33 seconds. Here's Lakuban for Trey. No good. 25 seconds. Here's Allegro. Speed. Pass to number 2. 15 seconds. Same ball. 13 seconds remaining. Shot clock is off. Again, 13 seconds remaining. Here's Soriano to Lakuban. Fake. Shot. 3 points. 5 seconds. Basket, 2 points. And the third quarter, score natin ay 80-67. Here's number 27. And for 3, diba? Here's number 77. Moving the ball. Lakuban for 3. No. Basket on number 77. 82-67. There's Evangelista. Pass to Jago for Trey. Jump shot pa yan. 27. 82-70. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Here's Lakuban. Point to shoot. Basket. Here's Evangelista dribbling the ball. Still. Offensive foul. That's not counted. Foul on jersey number 4. 77 pala. (84-17). Here's Evangelista moving the ball. It's foul. Pushing foul on jersey number 18. 19. That's offensive foul kanina. Yung kay number 15. First free throw basket. Jersey number 19, that is warning for foul out para kay jersey number 19 ng quartermaster. Here's number 77, Takuban. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass number 19, oh, that's blocked on number 24. Now good. Ready for substitution. Now good. Run on Dipuyard. Here's Dipuyard, pass to. Easy basket. Number 4. Here's Evangelista. Basket on Evangelista. 7 minutes and 15 seconds. That's ating fourth quarter. Here's Lakuban. 15 on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Foul on jersey number 77. Substitution. Number 77, that is first personal foul and second team foul. That's foul on jersey number 16. Holding foul on number 16. 15. And the second personal foul. And 13 foul. Here's Evangelista. Drives. Offensive foul on jersey number 19. Evangelista. That is first foul para kay Evangelista. And first team foul. Offensive foul on jersey number 7. Jersey number 7, that is second personal foul. And warning for penalty. Here's number 27 for 3. Goal. That's down foul. Who's foul rep? Foul on jersey number 27. Penalty na tayo rep. First free throw, basket. Second free throw, supply. Here's number 27 for 3. Here's Dipuyard on the drive. Pasa na pala. Easy basket. Here's number 27, pass to number 19 for 3. 2 goals. Here's number 17, spin. Oh, what a nice move of Soriano. Substitution. Here's number 0. Okay. That's foul on. Here's number 1. Substitution. Here's number 7. Flores. That is unsportsmanlike foul. Substitution. That's unsportsmanlike foul. Hawakan yung jersey. Ball possession. Working on the shot clock. Here's number 7. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 7 for 3. Air ball. Ball possession. On front of groups. Score natin ay 91-80. Here's Alejo. Line violation. Quartermaster ball. Here's number 7. Here's number 4 on the drive. Ibril. 93-80. Ready for timeout on front of groups. Here's Allegro. Pass to Evangelista. With a floater shot. Basket. Time remaining 2 minutes and 55 seconds. There's number 19. Again, rebound on number 0. Something right. Here's Soriano. Again, rebound on number 14. 15 on the shot clock. Number 14 for 3. Three minutes and 14 seconds. Here's the Puyard. Again. Here's number 2, easy basket. Basket. Easy 2 points. 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Here's number 4. Here's the Booyard for Trey. 3 balls. 99 to 88. 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Here's number 27 with the jump shot. Last 2 minutes. 3 points on number 14. Here's Allegro. Pass to 27, Allegro. Pass to Evangelista for Trey. 2 balls. Penalty trip. First free throw, basket. Seconds. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Supply. Ball possession on Baton Hoops. 102 to 93. Here's Evangelista. Basket on Evangelista. 25 seconds. Foul on jersey number 24. That is second personal foul and team penalty. 102 on 95. First free throw, basket on Soriano. Second free throw, basket again. 30 seconds remaining. Here's Evangelista. Possession on Quartermaster. 23 seconds. Shot clock is over. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds remaining. Quartermaster wins the game with the final score of 104 to 95. Congratulations.